What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm out here at Crystal Pond. I'm gonna throw something I'm not normally used to. I'm gonna be throwing jigs. Don't normally throw jigs, reason being because I don't have luck at all with them. The last time I caught anything on a jig was about, I want to say 2 years ago. About 2 years ago. I throw them here and there just to see if I catch anything, but most of the time I don't. So today's mini challenge for myself is gonna throw jigs, swim jigs, all the jigs you can think of, all the jigs you can think of. I'm gonna throw because I have them all. I have a box full of jigs I don't use, and that's my challenge for today. I like to challenge myself, so why not? Let's give it a whirl. Let's get to fishing. A couple things I like to do before I get to the edge of the water, if I'm fishing from the bank, is throw a couple casts before I get to the edge of the water. You never know if there's a bass right there. You might spook it and you miss the bass. And just like that. That's exactly why you should do a better hook set. Wow. There's a couple of them. All right, guys, all I'm throwing right now is a straight up jig. Striking jig with a Guggen-based Bandito craw. One thing I don't like about this pond is that there is a lot of trees, as you can tell, so casting is pretty tough. There's a couple openings here and there. Other than that, it's a lot of flipping. And this pond is pretty deep. I believe right where I casted goes up to like 15 feet. We've caught multiple bass down there. One of my buddies caught a bowfin down here on a hair jig, which is really cool because we were just messing around with it. We're like, it's the end of our fishing trip, and we decided just to throw that on there. All I'm doing with this shaky head is letting it drop to the bottom, waiting for like 7-8 seconds until I feel that it's the bottom. The good way to figure out if it's at the bottom, just slightly drag. All I do is slightly drag it on the bottom, and if you feel tension, you're at the bottom. And all I do to retrieve it is just 1-2 little hops. Let it sit there for a second. Water temperature is pretty cold, so just leave it there for 1 or 2 seconds. Give it a couple more hops. So I like this spot right here because there's a ditch right here, runs about 6 feet deep, and on the other side is about a foot of water, and then it has a big drop, goes straight down to 6 feet. It's pretty cool. I swear, want to keep a lookout on those kind of things, on drops. If you guys don't already do, I use bass attractant. What I normally use is Bass Dynasty's attractant. If you guys want to check out Bass Dynasty's attractant, I'll leave a link in the description. It's not too expensive. I believe I sell them at Dick's Sporting Goods. You get them on Amazon or on their website. I'll leave a link. Let's go. Oh God, no, he's barely hooked. Oh, there you go, on the shaky head. Look at that. This guy's been hooked before. Oh. Look at that. There you go. It works. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go. And give me a look. Oh, woo, she cold. Oh, that's fat. Boom, look at that. And bam, barely hooked. I don't know what it is with my hooks there, or I don't know. Look at that. Sweet. All right, let's let her go. All right, guys, here we are at this fallen down bridge. Don't know how old this bridge is, but from the looks of it, it looks pretty old. There you go. Ah, this little guy. Wow. Tiny. Not exactly what I was looking for. But hey, fish is a fish. Oh my goodness. But look at those. Wow, look at that line. Beautiful. Guy's tiny. My thumb could fit in there. Barely. Oh yeah. A little better. Oh yeah, a lot better. Bigger size than the other one. Check this out. Barely hooked as well. Look at his lips. Chapstick. All right, let's go. Look at those lines. So nice. All right, let's get a release on him. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. That's gonna be it for today. We're gonna wrap it up here at Crystal Pond. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be back here after work tomorrow. Hopefully catch on some big ones. See ya.